front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store to download free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Theme. It has to be from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Select Consent. Click on this gear at the top left corner and check out all of those options to adjust your wallpaper however you want to. When you finished, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then tap on Set as Live Wallpaper in this pop-up. Select Yes in this second one and hit Apply to. Now you need to decide where you wish to apply it by clicking on the best option for you. Now select Apply at the top right corner to confirm your choice and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!